Hi there, here's the one team working for Tuesday the 20th of July. So Freedom Day was yesterday. Here is Jo Hurley, who has an update on what Freedom Day actually means for home from home care, and the latest government guidance is in the link below as well for you.
Just wanted to give everyone an update, seeing as it's Freedom Day, just what that means for HFHC, for the individuals we support, for the staff and the families that we work with. Essentially, it doesn't actually change much. We're still wearing masks, we're still cleaning, we're still doing all of the testing that we were doing. We still need to do the questionnaires when people are visiting so that we know who's coming in and out of locations and who they've been in contact with. We've still got the challenges with test and trace. There is some new guidance coming out about that, which will give social care some leverage for some avoidance of some of those measures or some to work with those measures, but it is not as simple as some of the headlines might suggest. So we are working through that guidance as it's published, but at the moment essentially most people would have to isolate if they've been in contact with people that have tested positive.
In terms of housekeeping shifts, Mel Brickles thanks all One Team colleagues who continue to pick up housekeeping shifts. If anyone can give any support with housekeeping shifts this week and weekend, please do let resource team know, even if it's just a couple of hours, whatever it could be. It would be really very much appreciated.
I'd just like to say a really big thank you to all the intersourcers and home staff that picked up extra shifts over this past weekend. We've had numerous amounts of track and trace, so this really helped ensure that the individuals had a fulfilled weekend. These housekeeping shifts really do help. So if anybody would like to pick up any extra over the next couple of days, weekends, etc., please give the resource team a call, drop them a line. Any hours, whether it's just a couple or a full shift, will help. The housekeeping shifts, just to let you know, we'll be helping with food prep and room care and however you can assist the home. So just give us a call and let us know what you can do. Thanks.
In terms of test and trace, here's Hayley to explain the process that all staff should follow if they are contacted through the NHS Test and Trace app and also by NHS Test and Trace themselves.
Hi guys, I just wanted to talk to you about the track and trace at that point process. So if you are contacted by track and trace, it's really important you contact the absence line straight away. Don't wait. One of the member of the team on the absence line will go through the isolation process with you and will ask you some questions. And then at the end of that questionnaire, you will be asked to send evidence of the track and trace message to the IMS partners. You are required by law to continue to isolate for the period of that whole isolation that's on your note. Even if you've had a negative LFT or PCR test, you are required to isolate for the whole period of your track and trace message. Once your track and trace period has finished, you will be contacted by the absence line to have your return to work completed, and as long as you feel well, no one in your household or you don't have any symptoms, you will be able to return to work.
If you're travelling abroad, Justine Day here reminds staff about our policy for travelling abroad, so please ensure you have read the updated policy available on Zone Standard as directed in the video.
So just to let everyone know, there has been an update to the annual leave policy, which now includes information on travel corridors. This contains all the information relating to the current government guidance on travelling abroad. Staff should really familiarise themselves with this before they're going and booking their annual leave. It can be found in your green eye. There is a tab called policies, and you can look through the HFHC policies for the annual leave policy. Please make sure that before booking your annual leave, you are aware of what the guidance we've set out in going abroad.
And if you haven't already noticed, it's hot. So some heatwave advice here. With temperatures reaching record highs, it is so important to take care of yourselves and the individuals we support in the hot weather. Here's a reminder of advice from Hazel on how to stay safe in the sun. And there's also a link below to the NHS heatwave guidance below.
Hi, while we're all enjoying this lovely sunny weather, please remember to keep hydrated, removing your mask for frequent breaks so that you're staying hydrated, taking on lots of fluids, and that you're also helping the individuals that you support to stay hydrated during this hot weather. Can you also remember as well that some medications, particularly for epilepsy, can make individuals more prone to sunburn, so make sure that you're protecting yourselves and them with sun cream. Enjoy the sunshine.
Share it this week. So Kelly, thank you to Kelly and the team at Vicarage Lodge for adding the following recommendation onto Share It. So they wanted to recommend this with you all. Nunny's farm in Grimsby. It was easy access and reasonably priced at £2.50. The staff were all welcoming and friendly, and it was a nice place to visit if in the local area. I'll put a link in the description below. If you do have anything you would like to share with your One Team colleagues, things that you're doing out in the community, any recommendations, any places maybe you think actually it's good to go but there's a better time to go, or something like that, anything, if you've got any comments, any ideas, we would love to hear from you. Please do get in touch. And let's put more info. The Olympic torch, the Home from Home Care Olympic torch. So we are getting ready for the Olympics, which is due to start on Friday. A part of this, we've sent out activity packs, and we want everybody, as many Olympic torches as possible, to be created by all the homes. And then if you could please video these, giving them to the delivery drivers, or video them being passed around the home, whatever it is. And please submit these videos through daily diaries or by sending them to communications team. We would like to do a video of them all coming together at the Social Care Exchange.
Hi everyone, so this week's activity packs, we are continuing the summer of sport, so get ready to make your own Olympic torch. So we want to see everybody passing the torch to each other. Make sure you get it on video and send it with your daily diaries with the tag SCE activity pack.
And then here are some of the photos of what else has been going on in the homes throughout this hot weekend. Thanks so much everyone, take care in the heat and see you again on Friday.